Aloha guys, today we're going to just do a step-by-step makeup look, and we're going to start off with the primers. So I'm going to do a complexion again, just to show you the steps that I take in order to get that nice complexion. So we're going to start off with the primers. There's like so much different kind of primers, so you want to try to get the primer that is for your skin type or what you want to achieve. So the first one I got is this e.l.f. gripping primer, and this primer here, the gripping primer, is a makeup product designed to create tacky, slightly sticky base so your foundation and other products grab onto your skin better instead of sliding all over. So that's what this one is for. Sometimes you may think that, oh, like how I set my foundation first before I put the liquid products on, is because I feel like it could slide. So this would be a good one if that's what you want to achieve. It makes your makeup stay on longer. And I also have these pore blurring primers as well. And then you also can get a matte, a dewy. It has so much different stuff. So whatever you want to achieve with your makeup look is what kind of primer you want to get. And I have the pore primer as well. So obviously you know that I like to fill my pores. So I got these, and then I have a matte one as well, but I don't really use the matte anymore because my skin is dry. So let's go ahead and put the primer on. We're going to put this one first, and then we're going to try the grip. So I'm going to go ahead and put these here. This is the Professional. You're going to see that it kind of like blurs it out. We're just trying it together. I don't try it like on my own. I just try it together with you guys. So we're going to try this first. If it works out, it works out. If it don't, it don't. Okay. And then we're going to try and go ahead and use this one. I'm going to go ahead and use my Estee Lauder Double Wear today. I've been using this one for 10 years. Over 10 years. And I do have Cashew and Honey Bronze. When I first started, this was my color. When I first started using makeup again, this was my color. So I feel like my skin has gotten lighter. It's just because I used to always be in the sun a lot. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and use this grip primer. And it's a little bit tacky. You don't have to use two, you can just use one, but I just want to test it out and see how it will do as I'm putting on my makeup. Okay, so that is the primer section. That is step 1. Step 2 is give my love bug some hugs. This is Navea. She wants to see what I'm doing up here. Yeah, okay. No kissing on my face because I have makeup on. Okay, just look at her. Okay, so we're gonna go on to step 2 for the complexion. And step 2 is putting on my foundation. I have this little plate here. I'm gonna put my foundation on there. We're gonna just test out the Cashew and the other one. Okay. But this is a rebuy for me. When I first started using Estee Lauder, the Double Wear, that's the time when my face was so oily, but I still continued to use this one. Okay. So the first one I'm gonna try is the honey bronze. I'm just gonna put that on my face. See that? That's like a different color already. Like, it's a different one. We're gonna try the cashew now. See how lighter it is? Can you guys see that? So I'm just gonna mix them two together. So I got the cashew here, the bigger one, and the honey bronze there. We want to just mix that together and then put it on my face. But yeah, I've been using that for 10 years. Okay. That's what it says on the handle. So step 2 is finding your foundation. You can always, the foundations are always like dewy, matte. You have so much different foundations too. It's crazy. But yeah, so just try to get the products of your skin type. If you have oily skin, make sure you have that one. If you're going to use something like for, say if you have dry skin and you're going to use something matte, it's going to be more drier than ever. So you want to get something that you have dry skin, you get some dewy foundation. This is wet. We're going to go ahead and blend my foundation. This is not the new formula, it's the old formula. I see that they're always gonna come out with something new, but it's been a while since Estee Lauder Double Wear has came out with a new formula, I wanna say. So we're just blending it. And it's very tacky. So there you go. And that is with cashew and honey bronze mixed together. Concealer. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. We're using e.l.f. today. Just kind of doing it like that. I'm just gonna blend it all together. We are trying this one out again. It's been okay for me. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. In here. Should we try it? I don't know. I don't know if I like that. I'm gonna have to do my makeup all over again. See it? I don't like it. That's fine though. Okay, we're gonna just put it here. Set. So you have to set your makeup. You don't have to, but that's when you set your makeup, it stays, and it does like diffuse the pores as well. Once you know, start setting and layering your makeup, it does help with the pores as well. All right, so I don't know, it cut off a little bit, but this is the last step, is the setting sprays. So I have these 3 for now, and you see this, I've been liking this one. I've been using that a lot, and the Tier is my newest. So there's different kinds of setting sprays as well. You got your dewy matte, stay all night kind of setting spray. So there's so much different things nowadays. And then this one here is Mask Fit Makeup Fixer, long lasting blurring effect is this one. And this one, Maybelline Lasting Fix, is about the same thing. And then the e.l.f. Stay All Night Setting Spray is all claiming to set it for many hours that we're not going to be using our makeup. Okay. And then we're going to let that dry up. And then that's how you're going to do your complexion, you know. So when I first started makeup, that's the one thing I was mostly, when I started to put makeup on again, that's the one I wanted to have, like a clear face. From the sun, it just had damaged my skin, and you know, I kind of got good at the complexion part. So right now, this is my makeup for today, and I hope it helps somebody to start putting on makeup. These are the steps that you can do to achieve your flawless complexion. Yeah. Alright, you guys, and I shall see you all in my next video. You guys take care and God bless. Please don't forget to hype this video and subscribe, like, share. It's endless and it's free to do all those things. Alright, I shall see you all in my next video. Oh, there's Nevaeh. Look at her. Alright, you guys, take care.